Hey, Ryan the Sash Guy here. This is a quick demo video of some of our top selling casement models that we have available. Caradco Car Clad I. This is the first generation cladded casement in production from the late 70s all the way through the late 90s. Has a 2-inch wide clad face, has an 1 3/4 frame thickness with a drip groove down the side and weather stripping applied. The only variation between the original and the Fenster model is the Fenster model has an interior trim stop that looks like this. Caradco Car Clad II. This is the second generation cladded casement in production from roughly 1998 or 99 through 2004. 2-inch wide clad face, 1.5 inch frame thickness, also with a rain groove and weather stripping applied. The only variation between the original and the Fenster model is the interior trim stop that looks like this. Caradco Heritage I. This is the first generation non-cladded casement sash. Has a 2-inch wide face, 1 3/4 frame thickness, rain groove down the side with weather stripping applied. The only variation between the original and the Fenster model is an interior trim stop that looks like this. Caradco Heritage II. This is the second generation non-cladded casement sash in production from the late 90s through possibly 2003 or 2004. Has a 2-inch wide face, 1.5 inch frame thickness with a rain groove down the side and weather stripping applied. The only variation between the original and the Fenster model is the Fenster model has an interior trim stop that looks like this. Caradco C200. This is the earliest known casement that we have available from Caradco. It was only a primed unit, it was never cladded. It has a distinct step around the glass on the exterior side. It has a very deep rain groove around the outside with weather stripping applied, 1 3/4 inch frame thickness. No variation between the Fenster model and the original model on the interior. Caradco Traditional Casement. This is the last known cladded casement under the Caradco brand after Jeld-Wen had taken over the company. It is a 2-inch wide face with mitered corners, 1.5 inch thickness with a very identifiable groove down the side and weather stripping applied. That groove does continue all the way around the sash. The original did have an interior trim stop. The Fenster version was converted to our signature stop for identification purposes. If you like what you've seen in this video, check out our sash catalog on our website and start your quote today at fensterusa.com.